Good day to you. Update on Bitcoin. Going back to my previous analysis on August 17, it actually did hit the lower pain point for any trader trapped at 47,000. And then I did another update the second on the 18th. So that update highlighted the short-term trend. We saw 3 patterns, and my scenario for the upside was that it would have to break above the point there and confirm, which it did not. It actually broke down from 45,521. And then we had the lower points on the 2 W patterns that had their breaking points down at 44,870, 44,579. We've broken below that now, and we are looking for a confirmation that it holds as resistance in order for us to have a downside bias. So what could be a potential target? Well, we're going to look left, see what's happened before, try and find a point on the chart that is significant. Well, there's that large green candle there. I'm going to throw up a volume profile, see if there's a point that corresponds with that breakout there. So, well, you can't really see it behind all the stuff on the chart, but I see a small concentration of volume at the beginning of the breakout, and we've already retested that one time, and we'll just see where we line up with what's happening today. And we actually got very close to it. Very, very close. Almost touched it. So now I'm just going to switch over to daily time frame on the line chart and try and pick out some patterns and possible targets to the downside, if that's what we're confirming. So my yellow line there is the 89 MA. That is a possible support zone. And seeing how we've broken out from the 40K zone so high, I wouldn't be surprised if we see somewhat of a retrace. So I'd position a potential zone to the downside at that 40K area. So switching back to PVSRA, what can we see at that point? We have a green candle at about the 40K mark. And then I'll switch over to volume profile, see how the concentration of volume stacks up. And you can see it's fairly concentrated where we are now, seeing as we've been consolidating. And the next significant point is at that 40K area. So this all confirms that that is a potential target for our downside scenario. So now I'm just going to draw out a potential cycle to the downside that corresponds with that point I've picked out. Obviously we had the M formation at the top, and I think we're in level 1, and we should see another 2 levels to the downside. That would be level 2, retrace, drop down. I think we start to see some kind of a formation of a W or something that indicates an upward trend. Thanks for watching.